Ever wondered what it actually costs to use a TD US dollar card? If you're a frequent traveler to the States, shop online in USD, or just deal with US dollars regularly, this question is probably top of mind. Understanding the fees associated with this card is crucial for managing your finances and avoiding any unexpected surprises. Let's break down the various costs and how you can make the most of your TD US dollar card. First up, the most straightforward fee, the annual fee. For the TD US dollar Visa card, it typically comes with an annual fee of $39 USD. However, there's a silver lining. This annual fee can be rebated if you also have a TD borderless plan. Speaking of the borderless plan, it's worth understanding how it ties into your TD US dollar card. The TD borderless plan is a US dollar account designed for frequent US travelers. This account itself has a monthly fee of $4.95 USD. But just like the credit card, you can waive this monthly fee by maintaining a minimum monthly balance of $3,000 USD in the account. If you also have a TD all-inclusive banking plan, you get a $3 US rebate on the borderless plan monthly fee, bringing it down to $1.95. Here's the cool part. Having a borderless plan can get you an annual fee rebate on one TD US dollar credit card account per calendar year. So, if you manage to waive the borderless plan's monthly fee, you essentially get your US dollar Visa card's annual fee covered too. One of the primary benefits of the TD US dollar Visa card is that it generally comes with no foreign currency conversion fees when you make purchases or pay bills in US dollars. This is a huge advantage if you're frequently transacting in USD, as it saves you the typical 2.5% foreign exchange markup that many other credit cards charge. However, it's important to note that if you make purchases or cash advances in currencies other than US dollars, those transactions will be converted to US dollars on your statement and will be subject to a foreign currency conversion charge. So, this card is specifically for USD transactions to avoid those extra fees. Beyond the annual and monthly account fees, it's essential to be aware of the interest rates if you carry a balance. As of recent information, the interest rate for purchases on the TD US dollar Visa card is typically 21.99%, and for cash advances, it's 22.99%. Like any credit card, avoiding interest charges means paying your balance in full by the due date. Other potential fees, though less common for regular use, could include fees for late payments, over-limit transactions, balance transfers, which generally have the same interest rate as cash advances. To truly get the most out of your TD US dollar card and minimize fees, here are a few tips. 1. Maintain the minimum balance in your borderless plan. This waives the monthly fee for the account and often rebates your credit card's annual fee. 2. Use the card specifically for USD transactions. This helps you avoid foreign currency conversion fees. 3. Pay your balance in full. Avoid interest charges by paying your statement balance by the due date. 4. Consider additional benefits. The card also offers benefits like common carrier travel accident insurance, delayed and lost baggage insurance, and trip interruption insurance when you use it to pay for your travel, adding value beyond just the fee structure. Understanding these costs and benefits empowers you to use your TD US dollar card wisely, making your cross-border transactions smoother and more economical. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.